welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie, and I'm back in your screens, guys, with another banger. With the number of mini twist hairstyling videos I have on my channel, I think it's only apparent I made one of these videos where I showed you my whole installation process. Maybe not the whole installation process, but my installation process, my care process, hairstyling process, and everything I do for my mini twists to always look good even when they are getting old. Without wasting too much of your time, let's just get straight into today's video. To start with, today's video is sponsored by Elfin Hair, and these hair extensions are their super double drawn Afro Kinky Curl Human Hair Extension. If you want every and anyone you meet for the next week, maybe even months, asking you about your hair, what extensions you used, where you got them from, and of course telling you that you look absolutely gorgeous, then you know what to do. Shop Elfin Hair and you're never gonna go wrong. Using the discount code on the screen and the link in my description box, you can get money off when you shop these hair extensions from Elfin Hair. The rest of this video is probably going to be my voiceover, but don't go anywhere, I still sound gorgeous.
When it comes to the installation of my mini twist and micro twist, I do not have the time or patience to do it by myself, so I always get someone else to do it for me. Now, I do get some comments asking me what size description to give to the hairstylist, and the truth is I really don't know, because all I do is tell my hairstylist I want a head full of hair, or I don't want my mini twist to be so full. We made use of almost 5 packs of the Afro Kinky extensions, which is actually more than we usually use, but this time I really wanted my hair to be full and I wanted it bigger as well. It took me about 9 hours to complete this hairstyle, and at the end of the day, this is what I achieved. From what you can see on the screen, no product whatsoever had been put on this hair, and so it was the extensions fresh out of the pack, and this is what I got. I genuinely love the normal curls of this hair and I feel like it came out really well, but I'm going to show you exactly how I make my mini twist to look better. My holy grail when it comes to mini twist maintenance is literally God's precious water. Give me water over any product at any time of any day and I'll take it. And just by spraying it on this hair, you can see how it's been transformed. I love this not just because I can maintain my hair without expensive products, but I can also hydrate my natural hair because it's very easy to access it through this extension. As much as I can go on with styling my hair just like this, I also like to go in with a curl cream, and today we're using the On Jackie's Curl La cream. You can use whatever curl cream you have in very little quantity. Please know that I only apply this cream on the parts of my hair that my natural hair do not extend into. There is no particular reason why I do this. I just do not think it benefits my natural hair, so I do not apply it on there. Lastly, I go in with my oil sheen, and I do this just once a week, maybe twice, but never more. It gives my hair that shine throughout, and girl, you don't know how handy this comes in when your hair is already rolling into 1 month. My technique is to keep the spray can a few centimeters away from your hair while moving back and forth as you spray. I do not spray the sheen directly on my hair or directly on a part of the hair. So I don't know what difference that makes, but that is what I do. I do all of these processes in my routine, mostly at the beginning of the week. And when you've done all of this, then you can go into styling. I am just going to allow you to enjoy the styling process without saying a word. So let's get into it. looking amazing and having all those heartwarming compliments is only normal, comforting, and relaxing for you to want to have that beauty sleep. Before I get to doing that, I try to massage my scalp with coconut oil. Hey, taking off that bun is one thing, but the actual massage, this feels so good. I'm not going to lie, girls. Sometimes I do forget to put on a bonnet. Okay, confession time. But Elfin Hair gifted me this one, so I was so excited to give it a try. Like, my loves, don't do what I do what I say. And I'm telling you to always sleep with a bonnet. Your hair will thank you for it. I'm sure mine is scolding me. Well, maybe if I start a hashtag, it will forgive me. So, hashtag wear your bonnet.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you made it up to this point, you know how much I love you. I know it wasn't much, but that's basically all that I do to look this good with my mini twist. It really doesn't take much. So if you're a simple girly like me who doesn't like to do much, then you don't want to wake up in the morning thinking of 10-step routines or like extremely extravagant ways to style your hair so that you look good. Like, just little things make a lot of difference with this hairstyle, and especially with the extensions that I use on this particular hair. Don't forget to shop from Elfin Hair because these extensions are not one that you want to pass upon, okay? Thank you once again for watching my video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and I'll be there answering everything. Give me a very big thumbs up. Share this video to any and everyone who you think will like this video. Your friends, your mommy, your sisters, your cousins, your nieces, every and anyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because the numbers matter to me as well. I love you guys so much. Mwah.